Welcome to AutoSheet. In this video, if you are following this series AppScript, so we have learned about for loop. So in this video, we are going to learn about if else. So here we have cost, selling price, and profit loss. So if we always know, if we want to know profit loss, so it would be always, so see, we can see this. So if I give a statement like if it's in minus, it would be in loss, and if it's plus, so it would be in profit. So how we can do it using if else in AppScript? So for this, what you have to do, you have to click on this extension AppScript. So this page will open. So let me delete this. I'll add script, we call it if else. You can do, okay, let me call this function if else. Okay, in curly bracket, first thing, as you know, we have to define a variable sheet. So spreadsheet app dot get this active sheet, get active spreadsheet dot get active sheet, or we will directly define it, get sheet by name. So default sheet name is sheet 1. Now you have to define last row, because we want last row. Okay, in variable last row, as we know, we want to loop through each row until it's not empty, until the last row that is not empty. So for this we use last row. So for this, sheet dot get last row. Now we will use for loop, because we want to use it to every row. It should repeat it till the last row. We'll use for loop for this. Or okay, we'll define I as, because it's starting from second row. Then last row, now variable. Okay, now you have to use the curly braces, and this you have to type variable. First we define the variables. So cost sheet dot get range, so it would be I, and it's a first column, so it dot get a value. So now we have to find the second variable, which is selling price. I call it SP sheet dot get range. So it's in second column, so we call it i2 dot get range, get value. Okay, now you have to get the value, profit loss value, so we'll call it variable PL, profit loss value. Okay, we call it profit loss value. That's it. Would be selling price SP minus cost. So now you have to use the if statement, if else statement. So for this, if PL value is greater than 0, greater than or equal to also 0. No, okay, so if it's greater than and greater than 0, then we'll use var variable PL is equal to sheet dot get range. So range would be in3 dot set value to profit. Okay, but we want to, okay, profit. And okay, you have to close this bracket, and now you have to give else statement. Else variable. Okay, after else again you have to use curly bracket, curly braces, variable PL sheet dot get range dot set value loss. Close parent, close braces. Now if you run the script, okay, we can see profit loss, profit. Let me rerun this. Okay, so it's working perfectly. So now I want to give them color also. You can use give them color also. So for this, what you can do, dot set background color, background green, dot set background red. Okay, see, you got the colors. So this is how you can use if else statement. In next video we'll going to see else if statement for multiple values.